Okay, this is a strawberry farm in Baguio, so it's not actually, it's not purely strawberry because as you look at it, strawberry is just sitting at the top of this one. It is really very creative agribusiness in the Philippines. So as you look at it, strawberry is just on the top portion, and going at the bottom there is a broccoli and lettuce being grown. So it is really a creative agribusiness here. So this is a huge farm. It's different in Canada, really. Canada is strawberry picking. You can just walk at the ground and strawberries, just strolling at the ground and picking fruits of the strawberry. And like here, so look at that one. Strawberry farm. Pwede ka tayo kapasok doon kasi may entrance.
Daan naman eh. Oh.
Si Charlie Road. So we will be entering here. That's the strawberry farm. So the other side is purely strawberry here. It's not really touching at the ground, it's just hanging. So I think it's done that way so that watering for that one is done systematically, because I saw the other end there is a pipe to drain this water. So this is another method of farming here. So strawberry is now sitting at the ground. It's planted at the ground. So it's purely strawberry. So there is a plastic for that one. It's just provided with an opening and where the strawberry is growing. So that's why when you go picking strawberry here, it's 780 per kilo. It's too expensive. While in Canada, when you go strawberry picking, it's just too cheap, and you can eat all you can in Canada. Here it's not. It's different.
Halika na, wag natin pumunta doon. Ganun din naman yun.
Nandun yung bilihan ng strawberry. Tingnan mo yun. It's onions, string onions at the bottom of this one. Tomatoes. Look at the tomatoes in there. These tomatoes, I don't know what's the variety of these tomatoes. It's really small tomatoes. Just look like cherries, but it's smaller. Now here, this is very creative way of farming. Garden.
pwede naman kalahating kilo man.
Kasi sa labas magkano lang?
520 din sa labas.
Ano, 150 ang kalahati. 300 lang ang isang kilo.
Ay, baka yung ayaw ko yung pitas doon. Dito kasi,
Nilalako ba nila?
dito kasi fresh kapipitas. Kung gusto niyo, ito kayo magpitas 400.
Sir, strawberry tupig po sir, may pre-taste. Tikman niyo po, sumampat-tupat po. Strawberry tupig po sir, may pre-taste po tayo. Sumampat